Just like humans, dogs thrive on mental stimulation to keep their minds sharp and their behavior in check. Brain training for dogs is not just about teaching tricks, it's an essential element of their overall well-being. By engaging in regular brain games and challenges, dogs can significantly improve their cognitive abilities. This mental stimulation is crucial as it prevents boredom and can vastly reduce common behavioral issues such as excessive barking or chewing. Interactive puzzles, teaching new commands, and practicing problem-solving skills are all fantastic ways to boost their intelligence and enhance the bond between you and your pet. To effectively tailor a brain training routine for your dog, begin by assessing their current training level and mental needs. Observing your dog's behavior closely can reveal cues about their cognitive strengths and areas for improvement. Notice how they solve problems, their response to new commands, and their general attentiveness. This meticulous observation helps in creating a customized training plan that is both challenging and achievable for them. Including exercises that cater to your dog's specific needs will not only keep them mentally stimulated, but also ensure continuous learning and development. Starting with fundamental brain training exercises is key to stimulating your dog's cognitive abilities effectively. Begin with simple tasks like touch, where you teach your dog to touch a specific target with their nose or paw. Progress to find the treats, a game that encourages scent work and problem-solving skills. Involve puzzle toys, which enhance their ability to solve complex tasks for rewards. Each exercise should be introduced step by step, ensuring that your dog grasps each task before moving on to more challenging ones. This gradual build-up not only keeps them engaged, but also reinforces their learning and problem-solving capability. As your dog masters basic tasks, it's time to introduce more advanced training techniques. These can include teaching new tricks that require multiple steps and greater mental effort. Agility training is another excellent method to enhance their physical and mental agility. It involves courses that make your dog run, jump, and navigate various obstacles, challenging their mind and body simultaneously. Additionally, incorporating musical cues to initiate specific behaviors or tricks adds a layer of complexity and fun to their training routine. These advanced techniques provide substantial mental engagement and a deeper level of interaction between you and your dog. Setting up a daily brain training routine is crucial for your dog's ongoing development. Start by establishing a consistent schedule that suits both you and your pet's lifestyle, ensuring regular sessions are held at around the same time each day. This consistency helps reinforce learning and makes training an expected part of their daily life. Patience is key. Progress might be gradual and requires perseverance. As your dog advances, adjust the complexity of the tasks, or introduce new challenges to keep them engaged and avoid monotony. Regularly updating the routine in response to your dog's growth ensures continual improvement and sustained interest in learning.